What is your life? It is a mist that appears for a little while and then vanishes. If someone had told me at 20 that life is this breathtakingly short, I wouldn't have believed it. And you don't really believe it either, do you? Each day, 1,440 minutes. Each week, 168 hours. And on average, we get about 70, 80 years. Despite all our progress, that is the mathematics of our existence. And yet, in all that time, we rush, we achieve, optimize, function. In one of the world's richest societies, so many ask, what for? This inner fatigue, this emptiness. It's as if we only spend time, but never redeem it. The clock ticks. It whispers a warning. Now, now, now. Not tomorrow, not later, because later is often just an illusion. Jesus had only 33 years. At the end, he said, I have finished the work. Not, I had more time than others, but I fulfilled my time. The question isn't, how many years do you have left? It's, will you be able to say, I have finished my work? Did my life have quality, depth, meaning? Your 86,400 seconds today? What are you investing them in? Relationships? Stillness? What truly matters? You're not tired because life is long. You're tired because your soul is hungry, because it craves more than just a hurried checklist. Now is the time. Not someday, now.